Welcome to Foxtecc. Today I'll guide you through setting up a daily scheduled text message on your iPhone. This is a great feature if you want to send a message at the same time every day without needing to remember it. However, keep in mind that scheduling a reply to incoming messages at a specific time is a bit more complex. I'll walk you through the steps for setting up a daily text first, and then explain your options for automatic replies. To get started with scheduling a daily text, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once you're in, tap on the Automation tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can create personalized automations. And for a scheduled text, you'll want to select Create Personal Automation. From the options that appear, choose Time of Day. This allows you to set the exact time you want your message to be sent each day. Once you've chosen the time, tap Next. Now tap Add Action and look for Send Message. In the Recipients field, add the contact or contacts you want to receive the message. In the Message field, type your daily text. This will be the message that gets sent at the chosen time. Once you've written your message, tap Next again to review your automation settings. For this to work automatically, toggle off Ask Before Running, which will allow the message to send without requiring you to confirm it each day. Finally, tap Done to save your automation. Now, your iPhone will send this message daily at the time you set. As for automatic replies to incoming messages, unfortunately, that can't be done directly through the Shortcuts app. The only option on iPhone for auto-replying is through the driving focus mode. By enabling the driving mode, you can set an auto-reply message to respond to anyone who texts you while this mode is on. It's a bit inconvenient since you'll need to have driving mode activated even if you're not actually driving, but for now, it's the only workaround available. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips and tutorials. See you later.